We got a couple more 240s that'll be here by 8, and Oren's coming. Aiden from REI is coming.
Christian, tell Max Connolly he points backwards.
Oh, there's a Hyundai Elantra here. Hey Matt, what do you think of the color?
I mean, kind of sucks because this isn't the first time I saw it, but it's fucking sweet.
Oh yeah, you did, yeah. Travis has seen it too.
I really like the taillights.
So do I. I like those better than the kooky taillights. Wait, did you see the car?
Yeah, but I mean, let me go get a better look at it.
No, I know, but park like directly across from it or something. I don't know, because there's not a.
You're just turning around.
There's not a spot next to my car anymore.
So here now. Unnecessary.
That's a Hyundai Elantra.
Unnecessary.
Got Christian filming on my gimbal. Heck yeah. Whoa!
The event's looking over here. They were. You just see heads turn.
Wait, Oren, where are your hood vents from?
Track spec.
Did you buy them through Varus, or are they not related at all to Varus?
Varus? Oh no, they're not related.
Okay, I'm Steven. Never mind.
Thought I like these ones because they're bigger. The wheels don't actually look half bad.
The fronts don't have spacers yet because they didn't clear the cutouts in the back. They just have a 5mm slip-on, but the rears have a 38mm.
How big are the rears?
38mm. Yeah, I know. Hey, did you see that kid? He was like, I don't know what he said. I have it on video, but he's like, sick FRS, the kid right there.
Oh, yeah.
He was filming your car pulling in.
It's 686.
Or, like he screamed it too.
This is sick. This is really nice.
Thank you.
I seen him with the 180 though.
I don't know if I know
What's up, dude?
Hey.
Good.
How's Santa Cruz?
It's good. I love it.
What? Hey, there's my car right there.
I know, it's so amazing. It came out so good.
It's alright. The fitment's not perfect, but
I did the other side. Right by the...
it's good enough in pictures and videos.
It looks awesome.
Nick said he'll be here in 10 minutes.
Subaru? That's a nice Subaru, man.
Yeah, it is a Subaru.
Is it an STI?
That's a WRX right next to it. My friend's WRX.
Why can't you take a joke?
Why are you a Moorpark moron?
Fucking give out my location. Why don't you give my address while you're at it?
I have bad fitment on that quarter panel. He's probably judging me. I need to cover.
Just tighten it down. Just keep tightening it.
316. What's up, man?
My 240 is definitely faster though with the KA trends, the gearing.
Alright, so you're gonna go to Auto Club, do the Roval?
If you pay for my paint chips.
Clear Brian.
Have you guys walked around the meet yet? I've only been standing like at our location over there. We already did. Haven't gone around.
Go check out the section of Z's.
Okay.
Let's go look at some different stuff so you can learn something instead of being completely saturated in one.
JDM? No.
Those cops right there are waiting for us to pull out and just give us no license.
They asked me for your name.
Right there?
Hey, look, that's my friend's hand right there.
You like that? Like the spikes on the side? Those things?
You want to sit over there?
Yeah, there's some on the side too.
Hey, look, it's a 3-seater.
Like that Mini?
It's alright.
It doesn't. I think it has a sequential, if I remember correctly.
It has a sequential, the M7, yeah.
Are you gonna do that to your Mini?
No, I'm gonna keep it the way it is, just more power.
It's a freaking manual GT3. This is goals right here. Yes, this car is manual. It's not a PDK GT3. That's so swift. I was researching this online, running AN lines for your radiator, your coolant lines. This is really cool. Really, he has AN fittings everywhere. Yeah, these are massive fittings on the coolant.
Crazy.
I wonder what color it is. I wonder if it's, I don't know if it's original.
Magenta or something.
Did you ask?
No.
Oh.
That's just what it looks like.
It's a really clean car.
2-piece rating.
Oh yeah, he's on Willwood Super Lights. Alright, jump over the car.
Down. They smell the leather.
What the?
It looks like an electric stove on top.
It's weird. Look at the rears.
That's ridiculous.
When are they gonna see? This car needs a front plate. If they don't get a front plate, I don't need a front plate. Alright, so we just shot some rollers of the 240 and the Miata. And we didn't do the Miata, we didn't, just the 240 on Mulholland. And now we're heading out to Malibu, Tuna Canyon.
Why you gotta turn the camera at me when I'm yawning?
Because I expected you to talk right now.
I was yawning.
Okay, well, let's go to Malibu. Double Yada squad, 4 guys, 2 Miatas.
Look out.
Double team.
They're cheating, they have their top up so they're more aerodynamic.
Yeah, they don't have drag, damn it.
I thought those were cops for a second.
No, that's why I was slowing down coming up here.
Fast.
Well, yeah. I always slow down when I approach here. Yeah, that was a good run though. That was fun.
I was coaching the hell out of them.
Yeah.
It's like, on the gas, on the gas, on the gas. Like, I'm already on the gas.
I wasn't used to doing that. That was weird.
You see the Liberty Walk M3?
Yeah.
Someone by it? Yeah, we weren't freaking recording, but a whole like
that red one?
maybe like 30 M3s, M6s, M5s, and a couple like E36s.
There was an i8 as well.
Yeah. There was a Fiero GT or something too, or
There's a bunch of
MR2,
bros.
I don't know. Yeah, we weren't freaking recording, but a whole fleet just came by. Now we're just on top of Malibu. That's the car squad.
It's all the bimmers.
That's for sure.
I don't know if the exhaust, but we can hear it from here. I don't know if it comes out in the camera.
Can you hear the bimmers?
Change your music.
It's the bro squad.
Right. First gear, we're gonna use the parking brake. That's it! That was almost a 6,000 RPM clutch dump. We're out of here.
We're going 25 miles an hour right now, just to let you guys know. Everything we're doing is completely legal, right? Saw dudes.
We're in a whole new world now.
It's a whole new world.
Camera fund. Requesting 50 cents from you.
Yeah, Will gave me $1.
I'm not giving you anything.
You can't give me 50 cents?
No. Ask Plank.
The nice audio system, bro.
Thanks, mate. I try.
How do I zoom?
Right index, but it's really slow. So right now how Christian or Sewell is shooting rollers at my Miata. This car is so loud.
Tires just working a little bit. It means that they like what they're doing. So over the brake, brake. Slowly release off that brake. Get the car to rotate. Squeeze on power. And then back on power. Oh my god! Then right here on the apex, they're gonna go ahead, keep it all the way outside here. And the drop right here, you're gonna use that compression to rotate the car right here and get all the way, use as much of that track on the inside right here and just let the car just understeer out to the left here. That's how you do the dip here on stunt road.
See you Christmas time. No, next Sunday. Everybody be there.
Next Sunday, I'm not going to be at Supercar Sunday.
Yeah, be there at Auto Club Speedway.
Why, are you going there?
No.
Oh.
Actually, I might go the That's the following Sunday, right? Are you going? No, you're not.
I'm going on the 2nd.
Whatever.
Do you guys want food? My dad's picking up Mediterranean food right now.
I'll be down.
Yeah.
Because you always want Mediterranean food, so. Well, he's just getting to the restaurant.
That's fine. I'm gonna go sleep right now.
Sleep?
Sewell needs a nappy. He's grouchy pants.
All right. Well,
Let's see, man.